This video explains the process of a model comparison test. A model comparison test compares a device's behavior, usually thermal, to that of operational devices referred to as the model group. The comparison is made over a specific period of time and at a number of consecutive time intervals. A model comparison test involves 3 steps. Test operational devices to create the model group, test defective devices to create the fault group, and compare sequences of the fault group to the model. For steps 1 and 2, operational and defective devices undergo the same test. Each test employs image subtraction, wherein a reference image of the unpowered device is recorded and then subtracted from each image that is captured while the device is powered. For step 3, each differential image from a defective device sequence is then compared to those of the model sequence. To create the model that defines how non-defective devices should behave, one or more operational devices are tested under power. At the end of each test, the sequence of images captured during the test are automatically saved with a unique ID. The model is then created by combining these operational device tests into one model sequence with specified pixel limits. Defective devices that have been successfully troubleshooted are added to the fault group along with failure mode and repair details. After the sequence has been saved, it is compared to the model and the results of the comparison are displayed. Areas on the device that are outside the acceptable range of the model are displayed in color with pixel values indicating the magnitude of variance from the model. Each of these areas, called fail sites, are enclosed in a rectangle and are numbered consecutively according to severity. If the earliest difference does not indicate the true fault location, the entire comparison sequence should be examined to identify additional fail sites. Knowledge of device functionality and repair history and access to device schematics will reduce troubleshooting time significantly. By considering the severity of fail sites and the time in which fail sites occur during the test, the defect search area can be significantly reduced. When testing devices in the future, the fault group can be searched to identify close matches ranked by similarity percentage. As the fault group grows, troubleshooting time decreases. Model comparison can detect very small temperature differences between functional and defective devices that are nearly impossible to detect using any other temperature measurement method. Entire circuit boards can be inspected at once, regardless of component density, and without contacting the board. Hundreds of thousands of individual infrared detector elements in the thermal camera act as virtual test probes. Click the link in the description for more information on this topic.